We're going to go over our 1-4 offense right here. As you can see, we have 4 along the baseline and a point guard. So we have the point guard here. We have our wings, which are our 2 and our 3 guards. And we have our forwards, which is our 4 and our 5. We want to start everybody low across the baseline, even with the block. Because what we want to do is we want to start off by guys coming to the basketball. To start this, the point guard comes over half court. Once he does, both wings will do a V-cut to get open by taking their man from the corner into the lane and popping out in a V. We want to get us inside. We want to catch the ball inside the 3-point line, so we really want to make sure that they bring their man in and out and get the ball as close as possible. Once they've made that cut, then we want our forwards to pop up, come strong to the basketball, each of them to the elbow. When everybody's coming to the basketball, they want to show their hands, they want to show the point guard where they want to catch the ball and be ready to catch the basketball. Once the point guard makes a move and he passes to one side, let's say he passes to the right side, the first option we're going to do once this kid catches the basketball is face the basket strong, because he's looking to see if this lane is available for a layup. So if his man is overplaying him on the top side and he has an open lane to the basket, we want to take that for an easy layup. If that's not open, he's still looking strong to the basket. What we're doing is we're taking our point guard. Our point guard is going to fake his man away and come around this screen from this forward, from the ball side forward. We want to come outside on the ball side of it, looking for this give and go right here for a layup. This will be open. If this isn't open for some reason, the point guard is going to come through all along the baseline and go to the opposite wing, the opposite corner, the weak side corner. Our next option we're going to do here is the forward who set the screen for the point guard. He's going to screen opposite to the weak side forward. This forward is going to come off the screen. Ultimately, what we want to do is we want to get him down to the block. This could be open as well, very easily, for an easy layup here. If that's not open and they double team this man, he might be open for a jump shot. So after he screens this forward's man, he wants to turn again and face the basketball to see if he can get an open shot. If that's not open, after this has all happened, the weak side wing has to watch the play and not leave until this man has been screened for and goes down to the block. After this screen has happened, then he wants to take his man away and flash up to the point to the top of the key real quick to get this pass here, so that we can go ahead and we can start over. We're all in position to be able to start the whole thing over again. So again, everybody starts low. Our wings do make a V cut into the lane and out to catch the ball. Catch the ball strong. As soon as they do that, after they've moved, our forwards come flash to the elbows real quick. We do the same thing again. We pass the ball to the wing. This wing catches the ball, faces the basket. If he can, goes straight to the hoop for a layup. If not, the point guard's going to come off this screen here. Try to look for a give and go. If not available, goes to the weak side corner. The ball side forward sets a screen to the weak side forward to come down to the block. He flashes to the ball to see if he can get a good 10-foot jump shot. If not, he goes back down to the weak side block, and the weak side wing again takes his man away and flashes up to the top to restart the whole thing. So we have all the kids in position the whole time without having to stop and reset the offense if we don't get what we want. That's what the simple version is right now. We'll have some other options once we figure the whole thing out, but we'll be going over this every practice and making sure that we know the options that we have. And if we have any questions, we'll go over them then.